Let's show you how to properly run Finish R. We're going to show you how to run Finish R actually on a rotary. We like to pair it up with a yellow wool pad. And when you would use a yellow wool with Finish R is either, if you're doing a dark color gel coat, you're going to follow that up right behind level R on the compounding stage. Or if you get a boat or a surface that just has maybe very minute oxidation or just little light scratching, but you really need that rotary to do some cutting for you and really pop out some gloss, this is where this combination is outstanding. The cool part about Finish R is you really don't need too much, even on this brand new wool pad here. Essentially, that's going to be enough to prime the section that I'm going to use, and kind of spread it around, right? I'm going to put it at the lowest setting first, and then after I make my first pass or so, just to spread it out, I'm really going to kick up the temperature. Finish R really likes heat. Here on this Makita, generally around setting 4 is about 2100, and that sweet spot's anywhere from 2000 to 2200. So we're going to spread it, and we're going to turn the heat up.
Really want to make sure, especially on your last pass, keep your pad nice and flat. You lighten up your pressure. Literally no pressure here at the end.
Just wipe it off.